Hi everyone, this is a recap video. Last week we talked about early intervention and our collaborative team for early intervention. And every single one of you said most important is working with parents. And yep, it's always very important that parents are very involved and we um, um, appreciate their input, but that is especially so for early intervention and our early childhood kiddos, um, because we go right into the home and we're looking to see how that child is able to access their home environment and how we can increase their orientation and mobility skills. And so, unlike a school-age child where you would go into the classroom and you'd be working with the teacher or the paraprofessional and teaching them how to increase those skills and assist you in accomplishing those goals. You're working with the parents, you're working with the primary care providers. And how does that look? Well, we actually go into the home and we spend a significant amount of time looking to see how that child is able to access their environment and what kind of skills they need to acquire, what they need to be working on. And then we actually teach the primary care providers and help them help their child. And so we spend a whole lot of time in the home working with them and answering any questions they might have and really asking them, what skills do you need to work on with your child. And so it might be assisting them with self-feeding, um, and with that you have other care providers coming in, right? So it's not just you most of the time. So it also depends on student needs. It could just be um, you if they don't have any additional disabilities, but most often, especially in early intervention, you might have an orientation, or right, that is you, an occupational therapist come in and help you, so that you would be working on, body spatial awareness, and they would be working on more of the self-feeding, and so the two of you would work together to come up with an intervention plan that the parent would then work on with their child. And so it's definitely a team effort, and you guys all hit on the major points this past discussion. And really, the most important thing is parents, the primary care providers, and making sure that we're addressing the needs of their child that they find most important, and that uh, we're all working together on the same goals. Yeah, so another great discussion. Look forward to another one. Thanks.